4. Today, I'm taking you through an in-depth review of Convertio, one of the most well-known online tools for converting PDFs to Word documents. When you land on the Convertio website, you'll see a straightforward interface with a red button inviting you to choose files. It's designed to be as simple as possible, allowing users to upload files from their devices, Dropbox, Google Drive, or even by URL. After selecting your file, the conversion process is quick. Convertio supports a wide range of file formats, not just PDFs, so it's definitely versatile. The site also offers options to fine-tune your output, such as OCR for scanned documents, which is a big plus if you frequently deal with paper-to-digital conversions. The results can be impressive, especially when converting simple text-based PDFs to Word. It maintains formatting reasonably well and keeps images and text in the correct positions. But here's where it gets a bit tricky. For complex documents with heavy formatting, tables, or unusual fonts, Convertio sometimes struggles to deliver perfect accuracy. This is especially noticeable when you try to convert intricate PDFs to editable Word files. There's also a free tier available, but it's limited by file size and the number of conversions you can perform daily. If you need to handle larger files or want batch conversions, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. Speaking of paid plans, Convertio offers different pricing options depending on whether you need occasional use or frequent, heavy-duty conversions. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another downside worth mentioning is that the free version comes with advertisements, which can feel a bit intrusive. However, if you're just doing a one-time conversion, it's tolerable. One great feature Convertio offers is the ability to convert files in the cloud, which means you don't have to download anything to your device. This also enhances privacy and speed, especially for quick conversions. In terms of usability, Convertio's interface is user-friendly, and the website is optimized to work smoothly across various devices. It's certainly convenient if you're on the go and need a fast conversion without fuss. However, the fact that it struggles with more complex documents is something you need to consider if you regularly work with heavily formatted files. Overall, Convertio is a reliable tool if you need to convert simple PDFs to Word documents quickly. But if you're looking for pixel-perfect accuracy with complicated files, it might not always meet your expectations. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews of online tools and services. Your support means a lot, and I'd love to hear your experiences with Convertio in the comments.